Okay, so hello everybody. Welcome to TAT Summit. This is my first TAT Summit, but I'm very enjoyed to be here with you. It's a great initiative from Alan, and so thank you very much, Alan. So my name is Sylvain Boily. I have a French accent, sorry. And I'm the co-founder of and the CTO of WAZO. And I'm also in the telco industry for almost 15 years now. In this session, I would like to introduce you to the idea of new concepts, xCPaaS, the convergence of CPaaS and UCaaS. Okay, so, sorry. Let me tell you a story. We are all here in this room, and our phones are probably on silence mode. Mine not, I think. Sorry. Someone may want to reach you for business purpose on your mobile or at the office. And there is a very high chance that someone here is missing a critical call. This call will probably end up in a voicemail that nobody is listening anymore anyway. So that's my introduction. Well, we all know the cost of keeping our customers happy, and we all know how hard it is to get new customers. We can just not ignore the customers who are calling us. We have to make them feel special. We have to answer or call them back as soon as possible. All those missed calls are simply missed opportunity. So, what could we change this? To change this, sorry. Imagine the communication you just missed was just some data. And you could manage it, store it, transfer it, transform it, and enhance it, like any other data nowadays. What if you could really take control of your communication data flows and integrate them with your information system and your BPM? What if you could control your business communication journey? Is there a solution for this? Indeed, there is. That's why we are here. And it's called programmable telecom. Programmable telecom is definitely a game changer and is allow business to take control over the communication data, build new services, enhance their business, and finally, bring more value to their customers. Something that we must realize is that, thanks to all the technology we're using every day, customers can just zap and do business with competitors in just one swipe, if they are not fully satisfied. You can move from Uber to Lyft, from Deliveroo, it's a French company, to Foodora, even from bank in a minute. There is less and less barrier. The only thing that will make your customers loyal to your service is the experience you're giving them. And this experience should always be outstanding, always. If you take, for example, an insurance company, they pretty much talk to their customers only in one occasion, when they have a problem. And when those customers contact them, they don't want to give you ton information you already have. There is a guy in this room, Philippe Vessac. You know well this problem. You can talk with him. They want to feel you and know them. You understand their problem, and you will give them the right level of assistance right away. And if you are not totally convinced Uber, the ultimate symbol of the digital transformation, who want to even remove drivers from cars, just announced the last week they will provide a special support call center for their premium customer accessible directly on their app. If you care about your customers, you have to make sure their communication journey is just outstanding. So how do we make this happen? One key of an outstanding communication experience is to remove frictions and barriers in this process. Imagine your company has a Facebook page. And through this page, someone would like to contact you to get information about your product, your services, etc. They should be able to just chat with your teams through Facebook chat, and if required, be able to switch on a call and talk directly with salesperson further than needs, with just a simple click. The key is being able to do all the magic behind the scene and provide the more native and seamless experience possible. So, what does it mean for you? It means that if you want your apps to be killer apps, you will most likely have to include unified communication capabilities in it. And maybe the next killer app will be developed by someone here. So, okay, that seems nice, but what we do? In the last couple of years, you have seen great progress in the industry with CPaaS and unified communication players, and thanks to them. They built great products. They are the foundation of the next generation innovation in programmable telecom. But now, we have to go one step further and allow the convergence of unified communication and CPaaS to be able to control the full value chain. What we need is a fully programmable unified communication platform, API-centric, interoperable, with key unified communication capabilities available in the cloud or as a brick in your own infrastructure, and allowing you to automate, orchestrate, and integrate your communication data workflows. So now, gentlemen, let me introduce WAZO, our product, the world's first hybrid xCPaaS platform. This platform has been designed and developed by a seasoned engineer after many years of customers' feedback for you to help you integrate the best of unified communication capabilities in your apps and services. We are the convergence of unified communication and CPaaS. We are based on an open source core, and we are fully programmable. Now, let me give you more information about it. So what is WAZO? WAZO is a business communication engine and a platform sitting in between telco foundation, like Transip and so on, and the business application ecosystem. WAZO is available on-premise, hosted, or in the cloud to meet your technical and business requirements. WAZO is also a communication orchestration engine that includes unified communication control system for voice, text, and video, and workflow processing systems for API, orchestration, automation, notification, and events. It allows you to design, build, integrate any kind of communication workflow into your apps. WAZO has been designed for you. If you are a business, if you are a telco, a developer, an ISV, an integrator, we have a solution for you. WAZO can be used out of the box or as a building blocks to create your own solution. WAZO is easy to build, deploy, integrate, whatever is your use case, and has been designed for lower TCO and better ROI. So I'm better to develop, so this slide is for me. WAZO helps developers and ISV to quickly push new products and features to the market. Our native and API-centric architecture, combined with our integrable and open source core, will provide you full control over all communication capabilities and workflows. We have hundreds of RESTful API. We have WebSocket, we have Webhooks, WebRTC. Thanks to our design and architecture, you can integrate communication capabilities in your apps in just a few minutes. And finally, you can also develop new features, app, services that could be available through our marketplace, allowing you to provide new value and get new revenue stream. So come join our community, you're welcome. As already stated, WAZO is also available as a prepackaged, ready-to-use solution. We have a full of set unified communication apps, including a mobile apps, a WebRTC app, and a desktop app. Indeed, if you want, thanks to a powerful API and orchestration engine, you can still build your own or personal and enhance your communication experience and workflows. We also help telco carriers to provide more value to their customers. With WAZO, you can create new value added and business line for your customers and partners, developing compiling UCaaS offering for VARs, and your own direct customers in as a pay-as-you-grow model. Compete with new CPaaS players, support the ISV, and develop your own unified communication-enabled apps. WAZO also helps pure CPaaS players to enrich their value proposition to be integrated with other services. For integrators, WAZO also helps you to develop your business with an efficient recurring business model. WAZO modularity, interoperability, and best-of-breed deployment capabilities help integrators to quickly address new business and communications problems for their customers. Okay, so the next part is like the most dangerous, the demo. So I think 1 month ago, I see James here. James Brody, you know? Is it?
Yeah, he just left.
Just left. Yes, but yeah, I remember I was in Astricon a few weeks ago, and we love to have a dangerous demo now. So okay. Okay. Where is my? Is you? Okay, so the concept of the demo is show you some simple example to inspire you to what you can do with WAZO, but I would like to explain a little more technical and show you more technical parts of WAZO. So the concept I create for this demonstration is to create a small connector in Zapier platform. I think many people know Zapier here. So this connector helps to create added value simply with more, I think it's 750 connectors in this platform. So I want to explain you how does it work and what can use it, but before this I just want to show you some demonstration. Okay, so the first simple demonstration is, okay, we go to Zapier. Is to copy my CDR called detail record directly in Google Sheets. So it's really easy to do this with WAZO. So the connector is really simple. You choose an app, so you choose the trigger. So what's the trigger you want? So I want a trigger in WAZO. And what's the trigger? I want the trigger is a new CDR for this example. So when I receive a new CDR in the platform, I receive an event, okay? And this event is pushed on the system, and it's possible to be subscribed to this event and to create a webhooks, okay? So in Zapier, it's really simple because the concept already exists. So with Zapier, you say, please subscribe to this event, and when you receive this event, please send me a webhooks, okay? So it's really simple because we have that. And when it's finished, I don't know if you. When it's finished, you choose an action. So my action, I choose a Google Sheets action, okay, and in the template, I choose what file I want to use in my Google Drive, what's the worksheet, and it's easy to bind the name of the column I created to the data I received from my platform. So all of this information is graphical, so it's really simple to use. And if you want to see my CDR, it's empty Google Sheets. Okay, so if I create a call, for example, we don't have a sound, but I think it's that. Okay, so when I create the call, in my system I received an event, and this event is capped by Zapier, and it's sent it to Google Sheet. Okay, so I received directly in Google Sheet my information. Okay, so the second little demo looks like the same. So when you received a new voicemail, so that's your trigger. You choose an action. So the action is very simple: is upload file in my Google Drive. So you can choose a voicemail. You have many choices. So I just say, okay, push this voicemail in my folder voicemail, and with the name from we have in the information from WAZO. Sorry. So, up. Okay, so I receive a call. Where is my... where is it? Ah, okay. It's in French. Okay, so I don't care. Okay, hello everybody. I'm very happy to be with you in TAD Summit. So, I hang up the call. So, you see, no, you don't see because it's on my window, but I receive a message on, sorry, on my web interface. So he said to me, you have a new message, and if you, you fail. Okay, no, big fail. So we go to the voicemail. So you have your voicemail in your Google Drive, and yeah, great. Thank you. Okay. So it works exactly like the CDR. It's another event. The difference is we receive the event, and when we receive the event, we have another REST API to get this voicemail. And you get this voicemail, and when you receive it, you can copy it to Google Drive, for example. But if you want, you can use, I don't know, like Google Speech Translate or something like this, and you can convert it to a text. And if you have the text, you can notify the person with the text, or you can translate it, or you can do what you want with it. It's only a data. Okay, and the next, I just...
How long do you have left, Sylvain? You have like a minute?
Sorry?
You have about a minute left?
1 minute?
Yeah.
Okay, so, okay, quickly. It's a small development I did. So I think it's like 150, 100, no, not 100, 150, yes, 100, yeah, 100 line of codes, JavaScript code, okay? And it used exactly the same, or API, so it used the authentication of the system. And, whoops. Okay, and I'm using CPaaS now. Okay. No, thank you, Siri. Oh my God. Come on. Okay. So the concept is I'm using Twilio and Zapier and Google Translate and the API of the chat of WAZO. So I send an email, an SMS in English, and I receive it in live in French. So I hope you read French. Depend on the... Yeah, here we go. Oh, TAD Summit is Sommet de TAD. Okay, so you can answer in French and you receive in English. So the concept is exactly the same. We are using Zapier and we orchestrate what you want with our data. Okay, so, well, Where is my slide? Yeah, it's here. Well, so my dangerous demo was not so dangerous. So, okay, thank you very much. Come to talk with me or with my team here. And yeah, come to say hello. We are very open. We are open source guys. So.
Excellent. Thank you so much, Sylvain.